Zoom Contact Center just dropped a whole bunch of new features and some new pricing packages. Let's find out about them next. Whether your call center is a team of 500 or 10,000, there are two simple common goals: happy customers and happy agents. But achieving those goals can feel out of reach. With the explosion of generative AI, a continued move to hybrid work, and increasing customer expectations, it's hard to know how best to adapt your contact center for success. Call centers come in different shapes and sizes and serve different needs, so there's no one-size-fits-all solution to meet the current market changes. Here at Zoom, we've been listening to our 700 plus contact center customers, a customer base that's growing as quickly as our solution. What we found companies need most is seamless deployment, adaptability, and AI that adds true value. That's why we've launched 3 new Zoom Contact Center pricing bundles, a mix of deployment packages, and a host of enterprise-grade features that bring flexibility, advanced privacy and security features, and contact center AI to companies of different sizes, shapes, and needs. Starting at $69, you can design your ideal next-generation contact center that brings your customer-employee communications together on one familiar and scalable platform. Here are a few of the highlights. Generative AI is fast becoming a crucial tool for business. In fact, recent McKinsey & Company research shows that effectively implementing AI across the customer journey can boost revenue potential by nearly 20%. At Zoom, we believe everyone should have the opportunity to experience the benefits of AI, including our contact center customers. That's why our generative AI tool, Zoom AI Companion, is available across all eligible Zoom contact center packages at no additional cost. With AI Companion, agents are presented with prior conversation summaries so they can get quick context before jumping on a call or responding to a query. These summaries also reduce the post-call burden of note-taking, freeing up agents to move on to the next customer faster. It's a very crucial tool that can help ease customer frustration and make agents more productive. For contact centers that want to deliver even more personalized experiences, Zoom AI Expert Assist is available on our new Elite plan. AI Expert Assist analyzes conversation on the spot and surfaces the right information at the right time to help agents respond to complex interactions. This helps save time wasted digging around for those appropriate help articles and supports agents when they have to go off script, enabling faster call resolution and the opportunity to deliver the best possible customer service. Although voice is still an essential channel in our contact center, with customer expectations evolving, there's an increasing need to extend your customer service so you're easy to reach when and where your customers need you. With this in mind, we've expanded Zoom Contact Center beyond voice, chat, SMS, and video to include email and Meta Messenger, with WhatsApp coming in early 2024. Now you can reach and respond to your customers where they are, from an integrated and agent experience to add a more personal touch to your customer care. Zoom Contact Center gives you the ability to have one secure platform for your business communications, helping your call center team stay and feel connected, whether they're working on site or remotely. Agents can reach subject matter experts on Zoom Team Chat in real time, jump on team calls with Zoom meetings, and even be more connected to company news and culture with WorkVivo, Zoom's new employee engagement platform. Having your customer and employee communications on one platform doesn't make sense without integrating the apps your team relies on. Okta recently found that organizations with more than 2,000 employees use 211 apps on average. Integrating essential apps into your contact center solution helps reduce time wasted toggling between programs and minimizes friction. In early 2024, your agents can save even more time by getting real-time access to customer service information, including CRM support and payments from within Zoom Contact Center. What if your contact center is responsible for more than external customer care? We know companies need a contact center for various reasons, such as help desk or IT assistance or outbound sales call centers. With Zoom Contact Center, you're covered with every range of these scenarios. I think we've all experienced the frustrating process of explaining a complex technical issue over the phone or email with an IT department. With Zoom Contact Center's new remote control feature, which is included with all your new pricing packages, contact center team members can request permission to control an employee's or even customer's screen and solve problems as if they were there in person. This, along with our built-in video capabilities, provides support teams with a clear visual and helps them get right to the root of the problem faster. For Sales Contact Center, on the other hand, it's all about moving through the call as fast as possible to hit your daily and weekly targets. Zoom Contact Center's new progressive dialer automatically places outbound calls, so agents spend less time dialing and more time connecting with prospects and clients. It's built directly on our Zoom CX platform to deliver a seamless and easy-to-use experience. Upgrading your contact center or moving from an on-premise solution to a cloud contact center can seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. With the right partner, you can get the level of support you need to get up and running so you can start experiencing ROI and the efficiencies of a unified solution. What works for one company might not be sufficient for another when it comes to implementing and ongoing support. There are multiple factors to consider, including team size and location, IT team experience, and bandwidth, among other things. Your team may be well equipped, but still need some additional training. Or perhaps the full white glove experience would help remove obstacles. Zoom offers a variety of professional service packages to fit your budget and meet your business needs. Our account team is ready and available to help answer any of these post-implementation questions, as well as offer advice and best practices for every step of your Zoom contact center journey. With generative AI taking the world by storm, dispersed teams, and increased customer expectations over the past year, there's been a lot of change in the call center world. Partnering with a contact center vendor that can help you navigate this new world and practically implement AI can help you ride the wave so you're well positioned for the future. With a strategy of listening to our customers to guide our innovation, Zoom has added over 600 features since we launched Zoom Contact Center. With 3 new packages, flexible deployment options, and additional enterprise-grade features, you can design a next-generation contact center that works for you, your team, and your customers. Find out more about our new Zoom Contact Center packages and discover the complete Zoom Contact Center and its suite of next-generation tools. I am a Zoom distinguished architect. I do work for Zoom full-time, but I am not a spokesman or a figurehead for Zoom. I just like to talk about cool technology, and a lot of times that has to do with Zoom. And if you like videos like this, please follow me on LinkedIn, or better yet, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have a great day.